Oke, aku share screen. Oke. Okay, good afternoon everyone. Today we'll have the Scrum for the community Scrum on 11 January 2021. So we have a guest from marketing. His name is Rahma. Welcome Rahma to our Scrum. So I heard you have a topic that you want to discuss with community. So it will be glad that we can help you also in marketing. So let me open the discussion management ya. I will prioritize you for the discussion first. Okay, Rama, could you tell what do you want to discuss with community?
Okay, so thank you, Katendi, for the time.
Yes.
And also, so let me explain the project that I'm going to do. So first, the project is regarding the Google review for optimizing Bukit Vista's Google My Business. So my project aims to improve our ranking on the so we can BV could be on top of search while when people looking for villa management in Bali. So let me first introduce what is Google My Business. So if both of you didn't know what Google My Business is, it's a tool that we can use to promote our business. So can you please go to the top of the page, please?
This one? Yeah.
Okay. So for example, when we look for villa management in Bali on Google, then Google will usually provide like recommendation of the property management business. And this project aims so BB can be on top of the search of results. And currently we are ranked number 12 as of today. And by generating good reviews from our partner, we hope to increase our rank so we can be on top of the search. So this is the example of Google My Business. So like if you looking for Bukit Vista, then you can see that this is our business, and this is the examples from other business that where they already have a very strong um, SEO on the Google. So like they can win more audience because they were on top of the search. Okay. So the reason why we need to do this because when we have better review, that means that we have higher search rank, and that also means that we can find more leads and then like increase our revenues and sales. And according to the data that I found, that a lot of people actually care about the reviews, and it's actually impact them on the choice whether they want to use our service or not. And then let's take a look at BV's current Google review. If Katendi can open the pictures.
Sure, Rama.
So currently, yeah. So currently we only have 11's Google review, and I talked with Mas Rizal before whether he already did some like campaign or like things that he already done with this campaign, and he said that actually he already asked community team before to give review, but we only have two actually, yeah, from Vincentius Mandal and Olala. But then other than that, we don't really have like comments, but we only have ratings. Okay, can you close the picture, Katendi?
Yeah.
Okay. um the thing is the quality that the Google reviews that we receive is not really good because it's not actually the actual comments. It's just some just give the ratings. And also, why is comment is very important? Because of this SEO. So the more we use certain keywords like maybe like villa or Bali, then it will increase our SEO. Then it can actually increase our rank and be on top of the search. So let's compare it to our competitors that already on top of the chain. So this is from Bali Management Villas. So like as you can see in here, like they actually get actual comments. Like if you see Peter Steven's comment, it says like property management company, and also they also input keywords villas, villas again, and also Bali. So like that's why like they're on top of the rank, because like their SEO is very strong, because like the comments, they always use the word villas or Bali. So like when people search for it on Google, they like the more we use those keywords, it will appear on top of the rank, because they constantly using it, and the it's kind of like a point that you like a score that you receive when you're using that certain keywords. So that's basically the project that I wanted to do. So like it's not only we're asking our partners to give a comments, but it's a comments that can actually improve our SEO. So the things that I want to open for discussion is how can we actually ask our current partners to give the comments on our Google My Business. Okay,
Okay,
thank you,
thank
Katendi,
you,
and
Rama, for the great explanation. Yeah, I think from my side it's clear. But yeah, I just want to ask one question. So, for the how we can move our rank like from 12 to for example the top. So we need to get the more what's called audience to leave the review. Either that's a
Mhm,
rating. Uh, Sorry, that will be good if both like a rating and then comment,
mhm,
rather than just the rating. And then we also need to what's called uh, to tell the partner, for example, like to use the more word like using villa or
yes,
property management rather than just saying good or something. So I think that's
yes.
will be less as well. Okay, okay. So that's what I'm understanding. Maybe from David, what do you think? Is it clear for you what the Rahma need to discuss, want to discuss, or there's some question?
I think for me it's clear.
Okay, then got it. Okay, so we will back to the discussion management. So the question from Rama is how can we generate Google review from our current partner? Okay, then yeah. So from my side, I think this can be rolled out as well because we have the partner satisfaction survey actually every month. So that's will what's called collect the feedback from the partner about the feedback. But what I'm curious is, or what I'm afraid is like because we something that we cannot control is the work of the partner, right? Yeah, and then how many star that they will give. Yeah, because sometimes because not all the partner is happy on that month, because sometimes there are like a late payment or there is an issue with the gas. They might be put like 100 stars, like maybe one
Mhm,
or two, and then give uh, rather than giving the what's called the good word, they might be give the feedback. For example, please improve your
mhm,
communication, please improve your payment, please improve your something like that. So that's something that we cannot control, but what I can control is maybe the timing. I can control with the partner when I can spread out this message to tell the partner to leave the review on the maps, and then the channel I can tell via phone call or WhatsApp to the partner. And then also the messaging, like I think the messaging it's the important things, like how we tell the partner, like so they will leave the good review, right, for our
mm,
management. So I think the messaging is the point, uh, how we persuade the partner to leave the good review like that, or like that. So I think what my planning is, after we collect the partner satisfaction survey, so I can get the satisfaction of the partner, right, and then
mhm,
I can get the list of the partner that very satisfied, or dissatisfied for this month or last month. So maybe or from the community we will reach that kind of partner first. So that will be our
Okay.
prioritize to reach that partner. So my assumption is they will give a good review because they satisfy on the last month. The payment is clear, the booking is clear, no issue with the guest. So I believe they will leave the good review. And might be from the community we just need to tell the partner to using some word that will be affect the SEO, right? Like a property management or villa, or yeah, maybe from marketing as well can suggest what kind of the keyword that community can tell to the partner that the partner can using for the review like that. Okay, so
Okay.
that's I think from my side. Maybe from David, do you have any suggestion how we what's called how we deliver these things to the partner?
Yeah, Kak, I agree with you, Kak. But if I think we can tell the owner, all the owner to help us, Kak. So when you input your review in the Google, you your partner your guest will be increased. That's yeah, yep, Kak.
Ah,
So we don't kita nggak harus apa namanya uh, apa namanya sortir lagi gitu Kak. Misalnya nanti sedikit sedikit hasilnya bisa kita minta tolong gitu untuk ke guestnya ownernya
okay. Tell the
ke
partner.
Maybe
us
Kak
ya.
Tundi,
Yes, sama. Do you have any feedback?
maybe from what I heard, maybe we can also like tell them like what's the benefit of doing this, like
Ya.
to them, because like I don't think they want to do this without like getting anything back. So like I think it would be better like if while we're asking them to leave the comment, we can also say like the benefit if you're doing this, it can actually help
Hmm.
us to increase our rank, and maybe we can get more like guests for you to something like that.
Okay. Yeah, I got it. I'm agree with that. We can tell the benefit, or maybe we can exchange actually. So every
Mm,
single property have a Google Maps, right? Have a pin, and then we also
yes.
can live on their property. You can leave the review on their property, right? Yeah. So I think we can
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
yeah, we
yeah.
can use that as well. Hey, we can exchange. So Bukit Vista will leave the review for them, like maybe using some word as well, like to increasing on the searching also, and then also on our review we can mention also the Bukit Vista. So this property is managed by Bukit Vista. If you want to book this
Oh yeah.
property, you can click this link. So I think uh that and that's also like a chain and then free what's called promo. So free advertising as well. So if like the guest looking for example like there are a property that very famous, for example like a La Joya View in Balangan. This very
Mhm.
famous and have a cliff everything. Maybe the guest will search directly, right, to the name of the place, right,
Yes.
and then they will see the comment or the rating, and then they will see our review as well. Yeah, maybe they will open our Airbnb or something. So maybe we can put on the review of the property as well. If you want to get a special price, you can book from this Airbnb link or something. So yeah, I think that will
Oh
be
yeah.
make the guest interesting to open the link, right, like that.
Yes.
So yeah, I
That's
think
that's true. Yeah.
yeah, I think that's a good solution for this. So thank you for David also, and then from Rahma, I'm agree. We can need to tell the benefit also, uh, like the chain benefit between the benefit and then
Ya.
Bukit Vista benefit like that. Okay, then so um, I think we need to discuss when. So when we can start to doing this. I think from my side,
Mm-hmm.
I can start by today. So we have total around 150 property. So 150 property, and then oh yeah, before that, may I asking, do you have the campaign for these things? Do you make the campaign board or in the Trello board or not yet?
In the Trello board from marketing,
Yeah, on marketing.
called in I can show you, like, it's called Google My Business campaign.
I see. Okay, so
Hold on, I will
yeah.
try to open marketing chapter.
Okay, sure, sure. So just need to what's called make sure that where the community can update it like that. So you can invite for example
Okay.
me, so I can update it like how many partner already leave the review, maybe yeah how many partner like that. So you can get the update like that.
Okay, I will mention Katendi and also Katefit at the on my Trello card, and
Yeah.
then to so you guys can easily find the Trello
Okay.
card
Sure. Sure. Sure.
to update.
Okay, so I think also because this is also related with community and community, yeah, marketing and community. So I think we need the SLA, Rahma. The SLA is
Okay.
how many partner every day that community can reach to tell to leave the review, right? Yeah. So currently in community we have two member that handling the guest handling the partner for the case, and then one member from finance. So currently we only have three members, and then we have total around 150. Do you have any deadline for your campaign, Rahma?
No, it's actually no deadline. It's just actually this is only a suggestion at first. So
Okay,
like I brought it up to the community team to see whether this is uh actionable or not.
I
So
see.
like because Katendi says it's actionable, then maybe we can start it now, and maybe we can set the timeline from now on.
Okay, got it. Okay, then so I think currently we from community we can try to what's called to deliver five partner every day. What do you think? Yeah, just
Five
to
partners
outreach.
every day.
Yeah, we can outreach five partner every day to tell them to leave the review to in our webs
Okay.
where we can they leave review on the Google Maps, right?
Um, I will provide today I will make the Google link.
Oh
Jadi
yeah,
kayak
sure.
nanti I send the link to Katendi, so
Yeah.
like they can simply click the link and they can leave the
Yeah.
comments there.
Okay, I see.
Yes.
Okay, got it. And then yeah, Mackie as well because this is will be the exchange, right? So I also need to record which partner, which property partner that we have been leave the review.
Okay, okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay.
so yeah, I think I need to record as well. So we know like which partner have been Bukit Vista have been read the review, and then which partner is not yet. So maybe I will think either I make on the Google Sheet or on the paper for that list, and then I will invite you on the paper, yeah, on the Google Sheet.
Okay, okay,
Okay then,
Katendi.
sure. Yeah, is there anything that you want to discuss, Rahma?
I think that's all from me. So just want to make sure. So after this, I will invite Katendi to give to my Trello card, so you guys can update.
Yeah.
And also I will create the Google review link, so it's easier to for the partner to give the comments, and also providing the necessary no, like, example keywords they can use for the comments. Is that correct?
Okay. Yes, that's correct. Okay, thank you. So I will record on the conclusion. So Rahma will make the link for partner to leave the review easily. Okay, and then also you also can provide the keyword
key.
ya. Keyword.
Yeah.
Keyword. Okay, and then for the messaging to the partner, I think community can help. What we can write to the partner property as well ya.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, thank you Ratma. So, do you have anything that you want to discuss or say?
I think that's all for now, Kak. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, so I
Thank
will continue the Scrum. If you want to stay, just stay. And if you have anything that you want to do, you can leave the meeting, Rama. No worries.
Okay.
Okay, thank
I
you
will
very
leave
much.
the
Yeah,
Candy.
yeah, sure,
Okay,
sure. Thank
Kanapi.
you.
Thank
See you
you.
again.
Bye bye. Have a
thank
nice
you,
day.
thank you.
Bye bye. Okay, thank you. We back to the campaign. So for the campaign D, the first for the partner refund contract. Yesterday, got new sign from the Bamboo Zen. So Bamboo Zen is already sent a new contract for the extend, and then for the Labomi, yeah. So David already update to me. So the balancing for the Labomi is still like 3.9 million, and then I will discuss it with the owner when the payment is clear. So make sure all the clear first, then I can discuss with the partner about the contract for the extension. And then for the Om Rafiq still have in the bad condition. So Rafiq will meet the Tegas Asir Kemangkunean and Viladamu for the next. Thank you, David. Do you have any comment? All good. Okay, so I will next to the
All good.
next campaign. Okay, for the community engagement meeting, uh, the update is so there are three new topic for the monthly topic. This is regarding the what's called the bigger and then topic training, and then also there are six partner have been meeting last week. Last week with Om Rafiq and me, and then there are three more actionable insight for the community manager. Okay, the next for the community page and trusted community. Okay. Okay, so the update is there are three more contact lists and then two responded, and then there are no meeting convert yet, and then partnership also blocked from Grace, and then Grace also there is a comment. So for the final update, three new contract to respond. Google review written by Fadil to the company. We have partnership is gone. So yeah, I leave the review again to the partner, and I've been done two partners so far for the Alexandra and then the what's called Canggu and Co. Already updated also on the card, and then also Maria. Grace still asking for Maria for the update for the blog. Or they have report for the template. We'll send to report by WA to Maria, and then Grace also noticed that there are unlisted shit talk video in YouTube. Why is unlisted? Is the title and description is incomplete? There are few video that have incomplete description and wrong title. Is okay. If I have to access to YouTube to help complete this, YouTube is one of the marketing platform too. There are incoming entrance property owners and other people watching too. So, okay, so for the Grace, uh, so for the sorry, I will mention Grace. The review have been done to partner. There are Samra and Gu and Co. Okay, also for the access of the Bukit Vista account, yeah, I think I can give the access, but using the LastPass. I will coordinate with Grace. Okay, that's my update. Also, okay, so we'll to the next. Oh, David, do you have any comments so far?
Good,
Okay,
good,
yeah.
all good.
Okay, if you have any comment, just open your mic, yeah. No worries. And then for the
Okay.
next, from David, for the maintain partner trust by Clear Payment, could you give the update, David?
Okay. Okay, for the update, the anomalies list is increased by one.
Okay.
Uh, the all it is under payment, and we have notified to three partner for the settlement, and we have settled the three more payment in until today, and maybe not for all cut. So we will when we discuss with uh, Kak Lilis,
Yeah.
so the conclusion, we will remove booking.com from the case management CSM, because
Okay.
booking.com is not under payment because it's delay payment. I'm not sure it's already done or not, but PD chapter will remove it. Yeah,
Okay,
that's
got
all
it.
from me.
Okay, got it. So, from the anomalies list, most of the anomalies is from Booking.com payment.
Yep, yep,
I see. So
yep.
for the settlement is mostly uh, the easier settle is the what's called the issue from Airbnb, yeah, anomalies from Airbnb or direct.
Yeah,
Okay,
Airbnb, direct, and Traveloka. Others, others
the rest.
than Booking.com.
Okay, so the rest
That,
is Booking.com, yeah, for from this balance.
yeah, mm,
Okay, got it, got it. Okay, so the rest is only can settle after date 15 every month, yeah, for Booking.com.
mm, yeah.
Okay, got it, David. Okay, thank you. From that, and then the next one for the reducing the booking conflict. See the okay. Oh, this one. So yeah, for the last update is I've been connect with Putri Nusa and then Boga Segara for the bigger training, and they already have been what's called train and then testing already, and then also I meet Pondok Cesia for testing as well. So there are three testing for the partner, and then two more training for the region three. Okay, thank you. And then for the next. Yeah, I think that's all for the campaign. Then I will move.
I have a question, Kak.
Yes, David.
Yep. Uh, it's all the partner has have trained with bigger, Kak, because I see that I find that that's one of the owner that didn't have bigger.
Okay, so actually for the bigger training for this one, this is mostly we are train the what's called the staff because reducing the
Oh, I see.
yeah, that's for the check-in process before. But for the payment itself, actually previously we have
Hmm.
the campaign for that for this one for finance dashboard. Yeah, so but mostly the partner, the owner, and then the staff also have been trained. But sometimes some owner is what's called just hand over to the staff or manager to handling the bigger.
Oh,
So they don't want they just get the report from the manager. Yeah. So if you have any partner that have a issue to accessing, maybe you can just comment on this board or
Okay.
Trello, so I can follow up with that partner. Yeah.
Okay. Yep, Kak. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, David, for the comment and suggestion. Okay. For the next, I will move to the discussion management. From discussion, the last is what the final satisfaction survey is already done, and then we'll spread out by this week with me and Rafiq. And then the next one, yeah, I think I would like to prioritize this one first, because today I have been discussed with what's called with Jing and Andre about the issue of the HR and community also. So, but I will also will connect with the finance about what is the most issue that finance facing as well. So for this paper, I will just open this paper. Sorry, I think this one. Yeah, this one. So this is for the example, David. This is the community and HR issue and improvement. So there are like a four stages actually for discover the problem. The first one is discovery, and then the second one is prioritization. The third one is problem solving, and the last one is execute. So what I discovered today is improving the service, find the long-term solution rather than just a short-term solution, and then find the or make the good system. And then also this is what I need to find is the three unique opportunities from the current issue. And then for the prioritization, we need to make the rank of the which one is high prioritization and low prioritization. And then for example this one, so we have detect that for the response time on the WhatsApp group on the HR, there are still not balanced within this properties and then the other properties. Some properties is very fast response and some properties is slow. Sometimes it's miss as well for the message. So we are discover like this is the threat or opportunity, and how many sources that actually we have for covering this issue. For example, like for the WhatsApp group, there are a lot of member in the WhatsApp. So I think from 1 to 5, there are 3, 4, and 5 resource that we have, and this is also manual rather than systematic because we need to reply manual. And then the solution is from the HR, make the SLA for 5 minutes and set the expectation if still responding partner like that. So this is actually the example of the breakdown the issue between the community and the HR. And then also this will make easier to us to prioritize which issue that we need to fixing. So what I will to do is so I will make the what's called the breakdown as well with you regarding the finance. So let me create a new paper. Sorry. Okay, so we will use this format. Then finance. So, okay. Okay, so like this. So maybe from finance first. Uh, what is the current or the most issue that you facing so far in community or in the partner?
Uh, yeah. Maybe the list of the partner who has the owner who has bigger, who has strength bigger, yeah.
Sure. Okay, the other one.
Yep, I think just it with community
Okay, with community.
for now.
So I think the list of honor had been training on bigger, yeah. Okay. And then from me, yes, when I discuss with the partner about the issue in the finance is, oh yeah, there are still like a follow up about pending payment. Pending payment, yeah. For example, like Purikelapa, there are still a lot of payment is still pending. I think if you know the case in Purikelapa guest house, there have been like 3 or 4 years. There are still like a pending payment that they didn't get it yet.
Oh,
So yeah, I think that's actually the most or the current concern that finance can help to finding. Yeah, I think because the case on Periklapa, there have been like I think 3 finance before that handling from Gigi, Rizky and Tito that handling the spending case, and then I think there are still some balance, still some payment is still pending in Periklapa that I think we need to check it again. I think for the details you can maybe check with Wayana as well about the pending payment of Periklapa. And then for the next is hmm, about the finance.
maybe uh, 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 payment with La Joya.
Oke, payment dari apa spesifiknya gimana? Tentang
We
dampaknya atau apanya?
belum ada kesepakatan soal total overpaid,
Oh, apa? Total apa?
total kelebihan bayar dari kita ke mereka. Jadi
Oh,
mereka merasa segini, kita merasa segini.
oke, payment issue. Ya, oke. Berarti kalau untuk kelebihan itu biasanya regarding sama commission nggak sih?
Em, ini case dulu sih Kak.
Hmm.
Dulu ada lebih bayar kayak gitu. Jadi udah kepake
Oh,
sama La Joya.
oh, I see. Jadi kepake.
Bukan.
Oke,
Mm,
oke, got it, got it.
mm.
Terus untuk payment, hmm, oke. Kalau masalah regarding expectation itu pernah dapat isu nggak sama partner? Misalnya, for example, finance itu set expectation, oh tomorrow we will transfer the payment gitu. Tapi ternyata tomorrow nggak bisa gitu, ke pending gitu. Pernah nggak kayak gitu?
Um, belum sih sebenarnya Kak.
Oke. Kalau untuk transfer
Belum.
so far
Ya,
aman ya, safe ya.
aman.
Oke, oke. Sama
Biasa
kayaknya most apa the other one kayak coordination between HR sama finance ya.
ya lebih banyak ke situ sih.
Oke. ya. Contohnya kayak yang sampelnya kayak yang Rakarai kemarin itu kan. Jadi sebenarnya Rakarai udah bilang bahwa payment-nya tuh mending dididak. Jadi dia minta dididak aja untuk next guest gitu kan. Tapi mungkin ECR nggak info ke finance. Jadi finance kan minta tuh itu kan payment-nya kayak gitu. Ya, oke. Oke, got it.
CR.
Oke, ada lagi nggak?
That's all.
Okay, got it. So we will put the score for the resources. Jadi from 1 to 5, 1 itu kayak low resource and 5 banyak resource gitu, banyak orang yang handle gitu. Gitu. Jadi for the list of the honor had been trained bigger. From me, I think there are 2 currently, because it's only me and Rafiq to can recheck it.
Yeah.
And then, what do you think from your side? Is it same or you think it's same? Okay.
Same kan? Same.
You have, okay. The next one is follow up about pending payment. I think it's only you that follow up about the pending, or Wayan actually involved as well.
Yeah, Mbak Wayan naik.
Okay.
Two.
So it's 2. And then for the payment regarding the overpay in La Jolla, who handling right now? Is it you or Wayana?
Mbak Wayana. Mbak Wayana.
Okay, so it's 1 ya from me ya.
Yeah.
Halo Grace, Nadia, welcome ya. 2 menit ya.
Hello.
Wait ya.
Yes.
Coordination between HR and finance. From your side, how many resource that involved on the coordination?
5 I think.
5 ya. Banyak ya.
5.
Okay, yeah, I think so. There are a lot of resources as well to have a better coordination. Okay, for the systematic and manual approach, so I think for the list of honor have been training, I think this can be done systematic using the Bigger or the Trello, and then follow up about the pending payment. I think manual ya.
Manual.
For the payment issue regarding overpay in La Jolla, manual. And coordination between HR and finance, what do you think? It can be done for systematic or manual? Manual ya?
I think it's manual, Pak. Yeah.
Manual. Okay. Okay, and then for the solution, yeah, I think we need to discuss more about the solution, David. Yeah, I will propose to pending this discussion for the next discussion. What do you think?
Okay. Yep.
Okay, agree ya. Okay, I will put on here this paper. I will continue the discussion. Okay, thank you. Welcome Grace sama Nadia. So we will continue to the community page trusted. So Grace, the floor is yours. Salah. Mana dia? Oh nih.
Okay, so for the updates, there are new 3 contacts. This is from Kak Tendi.
Yeah.
It's from what ini? Okay. So to have responded from WhatsApp or
WhatsApp,
email or what? Oh, okay. Okay. Kalau for the Google review, I believe that you have uploaded some,
yeah,
Pak Tendi. And then since Maria is not here, I will ask her personally about the updates on the blog. And then for the report template, me, Maria, and Nadia will work on this. Hopefully by the end of the week sih udah selesai sending the reports. And then for I want to ask about the unlisted Sitalk video. Is it because update yet?
So because
You know,
because I responsible for upload the video, right? So I upload it, but I still put on unlisted because the title, there is no title yet, and then the what's called the description as well. So yeah, because I worry that if we publish it but there is no title and then description, so
uh,
it will be strange.
yeah, I see. But why can I view it there?
Kamu bisa ngeliat itu?
Iya,
Hmm.
I don't know why. It
Oh,
says
on
unlisted,
yeah,
but I
ini,
can watch it.
like this. Yeah, I think
I can play the video.
I think because you open the playlist, you open that playlist, right?
Oh, I see.
Yeah, but if
Maybe,
you
okay.
just open the video, I think it's not shown. But if you open the playlist,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Okay.
Mm-mm.
So maybe before I'm done with internship, I will like complete it, and then for the YouTube access, you ask for a meeting, right?
Yes, Grace. Oh, sama lagi satu lagi aku tambahin. So I had change. Jadi yang untuk yang partner talk untuk membedakan, jadi aku pakai namanya partner talk. So I use the name of partner talk for the partner. Jadi untuk si talknya biar nggak mix gitu. Jadi I think for the next I think we need to. Jadi aku udah atur sih, udah aku rutin nomornya. Cuman I didn't get number 3. Si talk 3-nya nggak ada. Si talk 5, 6, 7. Terus 9, 10 itu nggak ada. Sama sisanya udah lanjut gitu. Jadi mungkin for the next Sitok kayaknya kita bisa pakai itu untuk yang 6 deh atau 7 gitu.
Tadi berapa aja? Stop 3, 5, 6, 7, 9.
Ya, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9.
Oh, maybe I will check it because there are companies that we don't have partnership with, right? So
Yeah.
I will check it first which company we have unpublished.
Oke, boleh.
And then
Jadi angka itu mungkin bisa dipakai untuk yang partnership aja.
I see. Oh ya, untuk next partnershipnya ya.
Gitu mungkin yang 3, mungkin next partnership kita bisa pakai 3 aja gitu. Soalnya kemarin itu kan sempat keganti yang Alejandra itu harusnya 4. Cuman di title itu 3, BVC tetap 3. Jadi nggak connect gitu kan sama yang di di banner yang pertama. Jadi aku connectin aja biar sesuai sama ininya. Jadi yang kosong itu kita cariin gitu.
Iya. Nanti coba aku cross check sama yang unpublished partnership itu ya.
Can.
Kita nggak jadi itu.
Oke.
Are there any update for who will handle the project after?
For the ini project championnya atau for the project championnya actually I still looking for the candidate, Grace gitu. Jadi I need to know the person that potential for this sama I will have look the what's called the time. Jadi kapan dia ininya selesai internshipnya atau baru atau gimana. Mostly sih kayak maybe I will check with the HR currently because HR have the most new person, banyak orang baru di sana, but I need to recheck their CV. Jadi aku the fastest way-nya aku bisa ngeliat dari CV-nya mereka siapa yang biasanya lebih ke handle kayak project management atau event skill atau apa. Jadi aku mungkin bisa cek ke sana. I think by this week I will come up with the candidate ya, Grace ya. So when I have the candidate, kapan kamu terakhir? Tanggal berapa?
Selasa depan sih.
Selasa depan.
19.
Oke, berarti after I get the candidate, we can choose, and then after we get the next project champion, maybe you can prepare the handover paper to the new candidate, or you can give some training how to manage this project ya.
Oke, heeh. Terus,
Oke.
oh ya, maybe kalau misalnya di masa depan nanti community dapat interns lagi, mungkin bisa dimasukin ke timnya juga.
Boleh ya, kayak gitu.
Okay, that's all from me. See, maybe from Nadia, do you have any updates?
No, actually, there's nothing from me.
Okay, thank you Nadia. So yeah, I think that's all the update. So the next action is Tandy will looking for the candidate for handling this project champion, and then the next I will continue to leaving the review for from the partner to the partner, sorry, to the partner, and then Grace will follow up Maria about the update of the blog ya. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all from me as well. Thank you very much for Grace, David, and Nadia to join the community scrum. So we also run out of time. So I will let you guys continue your work. So have a good day and see you. Thank you.